A trip of light. Alex was a young inventor who lived in the busy, small town of Lumina. The nights were just as dark as the days. Lumina had a strange problem. Despite its name, it was always dark there because there were no street lights to light the way. Alex saw this not as a curse but as a chance because he wants to be an inventor and has a lot of dreams. The drive to keep going. Alex had always been interested in the moon and stars, which are natural lights that shine at night. Alex was motivated and set out on a mission to light up Lumina without using regular electricity, which was hard to come by and cost a lot in town. People laughed and skepticism this idea. They said, impossible. Alex wasn't scared off, though. Alex instead read old books, took online classes, and played around with bioluminescence, solar energy, and mechanical power. The first mistake and what I learned. Alex's first idea didn't work out at all. A lamp that was powered by the sun and barely lit up. Alex felt let down but not defeated. He learned how important it is to keep trying and learn from mistakes. Every great invention has its dawn in the shadows of failure, Alex said in a low voice as he looked through history to find examples of inventors who had similar problems. The teacher. Alex met Jordan at the library. Jordan is a retired engineer who is very interested in renewable energy. Jordan saw that Alex had potential and offered to help. They looked into the mysteries of phosphorescence and bioluminescence together, getting ideas from fireflies and sea creatures that glow. The big step forward. Alex spent months trying different things until he made Luna lanterns, which were lamps that took in sunlight during the day and used a mix of bioluminescence and phosphorescence to shine brightly at night. These lanterns were beautiful, safe, and long-lasting. They gave the streets of Lumina a soft, ethereal glow. The start and the test. At first, the town had a mixed response. A lot of people were amazed, but some weren't sure how long they would last or how well they would work. Alex, however, chose to put these lanterns up all over Lumina for free because he believed in the power of showing. The first few nights were very important because a storm could have shown the doubters they were right. The Luna lanterns, on the other hand, shone brightly through the storm, even though it was windy and raining. The changes in Lumina. Over time, Lumina went from being the darkest town at night to having the most lights on. People from nearby towns came to Lumina to see this amazing show. Alex's invention not only fixed a big problem, but it also brought in ecotourism, which helped the local economy. The effect of ripples. A lot of people in Lumina and beyond were moved by Alex's journey. It wasn't just about lighting up a town, it was also about the strength of being strong, coming up with new ideas, and having the courage to go after your dreams no matter what. Alex started workshops for would-be inventors, focusing on beginners, to share what he knew and encourage the next generation of inventors. In conclusion, Alex's story shows us that persistence, learning, and the guts to think outside the box are the lanterns that lead to success. Every failure is an opportunity to try something new, and every skeptic's doubt is a reason to push the limits. Not only was Alex's lantern an invention, it was also a symbol of hope that showed even the wildest dreams could come true with hard work and the right help.